Dreammates here. Welcome to another episode. Today, on the agenda, we are actually going to look a little bit into the different Farmers' Almanac, with the Canadian and the American ones with it. And a lot of the science they actually use into how they forecast things are actually celestial mechanics. So Sol is the center of our solar system, Earth being the third planetary body away from the sun. The sun greatly affects all of our climate, and basically the almanac looks at different patterns, different distance from the sun, inclination of the earth, all of those sort of different things in how they go about forecasting year to year. So the Solar Orbiter mission actually is really kind of neat by NASA. That's why I'm wearing the shirt here. Is one of the missions that I'm actually most interested in that NASA has ever done. They have a orbiter that is headed towards the sun, and as you see here, they pulled up nine different images of the sun, different spectrums, and to detail it and understand a lot more about it. The more we know about the sun, the more accurate our climate will be, and the more accurate these farmers' almanacs will become. So I'm very interested to see what will happen with the Solar Orbiter mission here, and what we will learn about the sun that gives us life as we know it on this planet. So good on them, and I look forward to seeing what happens with that. So the almanac has a few different things about it here. Astrology, if you're into the different zodiac signs and stuff like that, it is something that's included within these. Astronomy, some of the greater astronomical events that will be happening throughout the year. Including eclipses, meteor showers, bright stars, and visible planets. There is different weather predictions. The accuracy in that regard, they expect 80% accuracy, which is pretty good. There's different planting tables. You can plant by different moon phases. They have different charts for that in here. Also, fishing calendars. If you're a fisherman, they have different fishing calendars that are also contained within here. Also, talking about different insects and different things that would affect your garden, how to better grow particular type of plants, lots of fun different things, recipes, stories, you name it. Kind of the Reader's Digest of plants, I guess, if you really wanted to look at it in a roundabout way. That's really all you need to know about the almanac, but I do have one more thing I'd like to share here with you. Every year they tell you how well they did last season, and there's a winter forecast here. I'm just going to read it out, a little excerpt from it from right here. Our forecasts of the change in precipitation were correct in every Canadian region. This computes to an 85.7% accuracy rate in temperature and 100% in precipitation, giving us 92.9% overall, which is better than their traditional accuracy rate of 80%. So 92.9%, that's not bad for anybody. I mean, I take that on a test. There you go, Farmer's Almanac, the Canadian edition, and the Canadian edition Farmer and Simbi Folk, which is stuff that a farmer or somebody that would be planting gardens and running a garden that would be more interested in. There's a few different stories in that regard. And we also have the American almanacs here. So you got the Harris Farmers Almanacs here, which are equally as good. They just have the regions of the United States as opposed to the regions of Canada. So yeah, there you go. Farmers Almanac in a pinch. How it's run by science and how it's all done. Thank you guys for joining me. I want to apologize for being so long since a recent video. I did have to move, a new place, and with that was a lot of trouble getting an internet connection. It was several weeks before I got one, so changed the office around, fun stuff like that. If you'd like to follow me, I'm available on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, as well as I do have Kitco, where you can go over there and follow the link below, and it will take you over to a place where you can purchase the almanacs if you'd like to. Thanks again for your time, and until next time, take care of yourself, your friends, and your family. Take care.